Have you ever wondered what the future of photography looks like? Not just an incremental improvement, but a true leap forward? Imagine a camera that not only captures moments, but understands them, anticipates movement, adapts to light, and elevates your creativity beyond what you thought possible. Well, that future is here, and it comes in the form of the OM system, OM-3. If you thought the OM-5 was impressive, buckle up, because the OM-3 is redefining everything we know about imaging technology. Let's dive into what makes this camera a game changer, from its cutting-edge features to its release date, pricing, and everything in between. At its core, the OM-3 isn't just another mirrorless camera. It's a masterpiece of engineering designed to push the limits of what's possible. The heart of this innovation is its revolutionary 20.1 megapixel stacked micro four thirds sensor. But don't let the megapixel count fool you. This is no ordinary sensor. Years of research and development have gone into making it an absolute powerhouse, capable of pulling details out of the deepest shadows and the brightest highlights with exceptional clarity. Whether you're capturing the golden hues of a sunset or the intricate textures of a dimly lit street at night, this sensor delivers stunning results with remarkable precision. It's not just about collecting light. It's about interpreting it in ways that bring your vision to life. Of course, a great sensor is only as powerful as the processor behind it, and that's where the TruePic 11 engine comes into play. Think of it as the brain of the OM-3, transforming raw data into visual magic. With state-of-the-art computational photography techniques, it enhances images in real time, performing noise reduction with an almost surgical level of accuracy. Shooting in low light? No problem. High-contrast scenes? Handled effortlessly. From fast-moving city streets to serene landscapes, the TruePic 11 processor ensures that every frame is sharp, vibrant, and breathtaking. But what about stabilization? If you've ever struggled with shaky footage or blurred photos, the OM-3 has you covered with an industry-leading 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, IBIS. That means you can shoot handheld in near-total darkness or capture long-exposure shots without a tripod. Picture yourself hiking through rugged terrain at twilight, snapping crisp, perfectly steady images without worrying about motion blur. This kind of stabilization isn't just an improvement. It's a complete game-changer for both photographers and filmmakers alike. Speaking of filmmakers, the OM-3 isn't just about stills. This camera is a portable cinema powerhouse. With 4K recording at 120 frames per second and Full HD at a blistering 240 frames per second, it gives you the ability to create cinematic footage that rivals professional film studios. It supports OM-Log, HLG, and ProRes RAW, providing content creators with the same high-quality formats used in major productions. Whether you're crafting a documentary, a travel vlog, or an artistic short film, the OM-3 delivers the tools you need to tell your story with uncompromising quality. Autofocus is another area where the OM-3 stands out. Using AI-powered predictive tracking, the autofocus system doesn't just lock onto your subject. It anticipates movement, ensuring that even the most unpredictable subjects stay razor-sharp. Wildlife photographers can capture a hummingbird in mid-flight with perfect clarity. Street photographers can freeze raw emotion in an instant. Sports photographers can track athletes sprinting across the field without missing a beat. This level of autofocus performance, once reserved for flagship professional cameras, is now available in a compact, versatile package. And let's talk about durability. A camera packed with cutting-edge technology wouldn't mean much if it couldn't handle the elements. The OM-3's magnesium alloy body strikes the perfect balance between ruggedness and portability. Fully weather-sealed, it's built to withstand rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. Whether you're shooting in the desert's scorching heat or the icy chill of the mountains, this camera is designed to endure whatever nature throws at it. And with its 5.76 million OLED electronic viewfinder, every shot is composed with precision, offering a crystal-clear window into your creative world. In today's fast-paced world, connectivity is crucial, and the OM-3 doesn't disappoint. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB-C charging, you can transfer images instantly, edit on the go, and share your work effortlessly. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 600 shots per charge, with power delivery support, ensuring you never run out of juice at a critical moment. Whether you're on a multi-day shoot or a quick creative session, the OM-3 is built to keep up with your vision. So, when can you get your hands on this marvel of technology? While the exact release date is still under wraps, industry insiders suggest it will hit the shelves in 2025. Pricing details are also emerging, with expectations placing it in the premium range, reflecting the cutting-edge tech packed into this compact powerhouse. But for those who demand the best, the investment will be well worth it. The OM system OM-3 isn't just a camera. It's a glimpse into the future of photography and videography. It's designed for those who refuse to compromise, who seek to push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a seasoned photographer, or an adventurous storyteller, this camera is built to elevate your craft. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.